Attention civilians. This is an alert issued by the Global Defense Organization. Stay calm and listen carefully. This is not a trial. We would like to inform you of a new virus disease spreading rapidly called nuclear virus. This virus started spreading from Fukushima, Japan, where the environment is highly radioactive. Due to the radiations, the virus has undergone genetic mutations which made it extremely lethal. The nuclear virus has already claimed the lives of more than 80,000 people and put many animal species at risk of extinction. Most countries all over the world have already closed their naval and aerial borders. We advise the public not to travel between countries and to keep away from the East Asian regions, where the virus originated from. The nuclear virus is extremely lethal, with less than a 10% survival rate in case of infection. Due to the genetic mutations, the virus presents symptoms similar to the damages caused by high-dose radiations. Some of these are vomiting, nausea, red skin all over the body, and hair loss. The infected victim may additionally experience fatigue and have a hard time breathing. In case you experience any of these symptoms, do not panic. Immediately call for help and try to lay down to alleviate the pain. There is currently no known cure or treatment for the nuclear virus. If the damages are already visible on your body, then it is too late for you. You may have a chance at surviving if you spot the symptoms early on and receive immediate medical help. Medical personnel all over the world are putting their best effort in order to find a cure. GDO researchers are also trying to find a way to exterminate the virus once and for all. Unfortunately, most hospitals and ambulances in the infected regions are often full due to the sheer amount of infected patients. Thus, you may not be able to receive immediate help if you get infected. Some people will have to be sacrificed in order to save others. We advise the public not to leave their house and to avoid close contact with strangers at all costs. Protect yourself and your loved ones by taking medical and safety precautions. The nuclear virus mainly spreads through physical touch with an infected individual and by breathing air containing the virus. Once in the body, the nuclear virus starts replicating rapidly and emitting small dose radiations. Meaning, any infected patient will not only be contagious but also radioactive, posing a great threat to anyone nearby. If you are aware of any individual infected by the nuclear virus, first, maintain a safe distance, approximately 100 meters, to avoid any radioactive wave. Even small dose radiations are enough to cause severe damages to the body. Then, call for medical help and provide clear instructions. Medical personnel is equipped to deal with radioactive emissions. Multiple riots are emerging in the East Asian regions due to the government not allowing its citizens to leave the country in order to escape the pandemic. Finally, if you think you are infected with the nuclear virus, we advise you to isolate yourself from all other people until emergency services arrive at your location. Keep far away from any individual, including your loved ones, and remain enclosed in a room to weaken the radioactive waves. We will update you with any new information, should it become available. Stay safe, civilians.